So in the previous video, we have seen how to create these sort of dynamic components and how to populate it with the map function. So now let's see how to create this sort of a carousel effect within our React application. So actually, I'm not going to do a plain old carousel definitions like we did in HTML related projects. So what we can do is we can use the existing pre-built React npm modules. So for the responsive carousels, we can use this React responsive carousel package. So likewise, there are a whole lot of packages that you can use with React. So I will show you how to use these sort of modules in your React projects. Then you can easily build your applications without doing the same thing again and again. Okay, so I will copy this command and paste it over here. So it will download the necessary stuff, and I have downloaded several movie wallpapers as well. So let's import these stuff within images. Under images, let's say movies, and copy these three. Okay, so now our package is installed. So let's create another component called carousel. Let's make it as standard carousel.js rfce and go to the home page and import it like this. Okay, so I'll format it. Okay, now if you go to the home page, okay, we have this standard carousel. So let's follow the instruction. So first, in order to use this item, you have to import this minified CSS file like this, and you have to import this carousel component, and yeah, that's it. Then you can use these sort of stuff, and we don't need these things. Actually, we don't need any of these, right? So instead of that, what we need to do is we need to populate this stuff. Okay, so now you know how to populate this stuff using map function. So item, and we need this sort of an item, and I'll format it, and there is no class name, but yeah, we don't need this sort of a thing. All we require is an image, right? So inside the image, so item dot image and alt and item dot image alt. Okay, that's it. And it is good practice when we are using map function, use a key component, right? So if you go to the yeah, it doesn't do anything because it is calling this stuff. So for now, let me comment this, go to the page and inspect, and on the console you can see there are several errors, right? Because it says to have unique key prop. So in the map functions, we basically generating these items. So we have to specify a key for these items, then React knows these are distinct items. So inside home, I think we have used this map function. So let's add a key as well. So I will add a key, and this is just index, right? So index is just uh, the index of this iterated item, right? So it's like 0 1 2 3 like that. Now if I reload this, there is no errors, right? Okay, so those are kind of best practices that you need to follow when you're using React. Okay, moving towards to the carousel thing. So let's have data, and let's say this as maybe carousel data, and it has this array items, carousel data, so image, and we need several images. So I will like this. No, what just happened? Unexpected token at home. Okay. So let's add several images. So on the images and movies, and what are the movies we have? So let's say png and slow host. Okay, so host and cpage. So let's see, move one, move two, move three. And this is move one with the majority of uh, spirit. Right? Okay. Line 39 has an error. Okay, so all the imports needs to be have in the top of the React file. So I'll make this as movie images. I'll make this as just images, right? Okay. Now if I go to my carousel, it must render the content like this. Okay. So currently it has only one image because I have imported only one image over here. So likewise, I can import other three images like this. Uh, this as slow horses and special. Okay, now if you go to your React file, you can see these are some uh, carousel thing. So there are a lot of options you have to specify. So autoplay is sort of a property where you can autoplay these items. So let's try that property as well. It's autoplay. So it's a boolean value, which means under standard carousel, if I type autoplay and make this as true, well, it must, yeah, autoplay the things, but the interval needs to be specified, I think. So interval is a number. So interval, let's say for each 1000 milliseconds. Okay, so one, okay, one, okay, I think yeah. Okay, now I think it works. So within all 1 seconds, it can be auto-played, and it is having these uh, hovering effects as well, right? So we can select the image as well. Okay. Yeah. So I think it covers the carousel stuff. So yeah, that's how carousel component works inside this uh, React project. Okay. Yeah. So in the next video, I will show you uh, more content. And yeah, thank you.